This RV door shade from TICARVE is a must-have if you own an RV. On the door from manufacturers, there's usually nothing installed, and having this shade here protects and also helps to insulate. It's also blackout and also UV resistant. Got this Oxford 900 material, so it's super durable. And what I love about this is that it's easy to install. So we can actually flip up one section, so if you wanted a little light in, because it comes with these magnetic strips that stick to your door. Now the top one, you can fully take it off. It is Velcro, the top one, but the goal is to just leave it on. And if you wanted to let more light in, you could just keep folding it up like a trifold, and it sticks all the way up there, exposing your hall window. And then when you're driving or when your RV's in storage, you can flip this down. And what this will do is help keep this protected and insulated. I think especially at night too, if you wanted to insulate, if you have guests sleeping in the living room area, you want to block out that light coming in instead of waking them up. This is a must-have. This is super nice, easy to install, very durable, nice material. The magnets work really well, strong magnets, and overall really satisfied with the TICARVE door shade. So shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do this review.